judges. We are the team 450090, the Intellitrons. My name is YWLA, and I'm the driver and the programmer.
My name is YWLA, and I'm the builder.
My name is Lauren Gonzalez, and I'm the technical writer. This year, we use the engineering design process to guide our team through the building and programming of our robot to get a great outcome.
We started by defining this year's challenge, which is to move the risers to their designated area and stack them according to their color.
Next, we generated a concept, which is basically brainstorming. Each of us sketched out an idea and combined them all at the end. And we decided on our final solution, which is 3 elevators and 1 arm. Later on, we realized that the 3rd elevator was not necessary, and the arm needed the support of the 2nd motor. When we started building, we decided that we were going to build on Zoom so each of us knew how to build the robot if anything happened.
When the robot was done and built, it was time to program the robot. I used the VEX code IQ to program our robot. Our robot does not have any sensors and does not use sensors in autonomous programming. I started by doing the programming the controller, which didn't take a long time. After that was done, I decided to move on into the autonomous, which took a while because we had some difficulties with the brain connecting and the controller and the batteries. After that was done, it was time to drive the robot. As the driver, we all came up with different ideas, and here's our final idea, our final strategy that we thought. We're going to start on the right side, right here, and we're just going to go straight to put the blue risers in the designated area. Next, we're going to take the other blue over here and stack it in the middle. We also hope that other teams have a longer arm so that they can stack the third riser on top, as our robot does not have that length in the arm. And after that, we hope to go for a full row, which will give us 6 points, and then we hope the other team can add points to that. For the autonomous, and we had similar strategy, which is again starting on the right position and just going for the purple risers, putting them in a designated area, and doing the same with all 3 to make a row of 6 points. For the skills, we have exactly the same strategy.
Me, as being the technical writer, documented through every way and steps of the engineering notebook of the build and the program. We wouldn't meet on any specific day. We would just catch up with each other's schedules, and we would create Zoom calls through emails, and we would meet up whenever to take our steps through the building and programming. We use the engineering design process to guide us through the build and programming, through the schedule, also as creating our timeline and planning when each role was due for each person. Me, as being the technical writer, used the engineering design notebook, which helped us throughout the process of building and programming to go back and look at the design process and define our problem of stacking the risers and scoring the most points, as well as looking at the multiple modifications that were made, such as moving our square hooks to triangular hooks to be able to lift and move risers, as well as we originally had planned to have 3 elevators, but we had to take off 1, so we had 2 arms with 2 motors to be able to have our robot more efficient and strong.
This is our final robot. Thank you for listening, judges. This is the team 450090, the Intellitrons.